This question comes from Jan in Copenhagen, Denmark. I'm a huge fan living in Denmark, the most socialistic nation in the world. Could we face a situation where the European economy collapses first, which makes the dollar rise, and subsequently the US economy falls, making the European currencies rise, leaving no gains for gold? And would you invest in gold if you were living in Europe?
Well, absolutely. I'd invest in gold no matter where I live. Now, I'm not sure that Denmark is the socialistic economy or most socialistic economy in the world. I know that Scandinavia does have quite a bit of socialism there, although the pendulum is certainly moving in the other direction, which is why we have investments in Norway and in Sweden. I don't think we have anything in Denmark. I do remember the last time I was in Copenhagen, I really enjoyed being there. It's a beautiful city. I don't think we have investments there, so I'm not really up on exactly the progress that has been made, although I can't imagine that you're going to see this pendulum swinging in the direction that it is in Norway and Sweden and have Denmark not also see the writing on the wall. So I might be a little bit more optimistic on the future of the Danish economy as far as getting the message that socialism doesn't work and that you need more freedom and more capitalism. But regardless, you want to own gold. I mean, I think gold is going to go up against all of the currencies because I think all of the central banks are acting irresponsibly. The question is a degree. Some central banks are acting far more recklessly than others. But I think in general, as long as you have fiat currencies, governments will print too much of it. They're not going to mine enough gold. So I think gold prices are going to rise. Now, that doesn't mean I don't think you should invest. I think there are going to be plenty of opportunities in stock markets, in individual companies, to make a lot more money if you buy the right stocks than just keeping your money in gold. But I think just keeping your money in gold is going to beat just keeping your money in a paper currency.
Kevin in Dubai asks, with all the market uncertainty, why are investors pouring money into the dollar and not into gold?
Well, the investors who are pouring money into the dollar are the investors that don't know what they're doing. I think the smart money is pouring into gold. The dumb money is pouring into the dollar. Now, there could be some smart money that's trading the dollar, and maybe they'll be able to get out before the bottom drops out. But if you take out the traders who are holding their nose and buying the dollar simply because they think they can make money trading it and they can get out before the bottom drops out, people who are actually buying dollars now because they believe there's safety there and who plan on holding them, they're making a mistake. These might be the same guys that were buying condos in Las Vegas or Phoenix, or maybe they bought drcoop.com at the top of the internet market. I don't know, but I don't think that's where the smart money is going. Smart money is going into gold, and I think over time the dumb money is going to wise up, and more of that money is going to go into gold, and less of it is going to go into treasuries or dollars, and eventually none of it's going to go into dollars. In fact, everyone's going to try to get out of the dollar, and of course by then it's too late. Everybody can't get out because there's nobody to take the other side, and so the dollar's value just evaporates, and the people who are caught holding it are literally left holding the bag.